3, 2, 1.
The first powerful telescopes were built during the early 1600s. Scientists at that time were able to learn more about which subject by using the telescope. The answer is D. Planets and moons in the solar system. What person suggested a landing spot for helicopters near the epicenter? The answer is C. A student. Who won Dancing on Ice 2013? The answer is B. Beth Tweddle. What is meant when I say his lips were heaven? The answer is A. None of the above choices. In what year was D'Olier Street built in Dublin? The answer is D. 1696. What Seattle organization is one of the top ballet schools in the U.S.? The answer is A. PNB School. Who a hit single with Crocodile Rock in 1972? The answer is A. Elton John. What does a haploid genome have strong influence on? The answer is D. The genomes. When did the post-punk era first begin? The answer is A. The mid-1980s. Which American composer 18,541,932 was known as the March King? The answer is C. John Philip Sousa. What is restrained with a lever in the top of a driver? The answer is D. Plug valve. Where did we watch the Wall-E movie? The answer is C. At the cinema. Who did Can I Become inspired by while creating 808s and Heartbreak? The answer is C. Gary Newman, T.J. Swan, and Boy George. Which famous nude painting in the National Gallery was attacked with an axe by a militant suffragette in 1914? The answer is C. The Ropey Venus. The Kalahari Desert in Africa stretches across South Africa, Botswana, and which other country? The answer is B. Namibia. What animals are kept in the Mews? The answer is D. Horses. If the world were a village of 100 people, how many would be from the Eastern Hemisphere? The answer is C. 86. Can I remember what kind of wine I had? The answer is B. No, I loved it but can't remember. How did naturalism affect the greater world? The answer is D. Influenced social and political change. Why did the cost of audio music increase when the production costs decreased? The answer is D. Value increase. A person born on December 23 is on the cusp of which two signs? The answer is C. Sagittarius Capricorn. Who has played Dick Tracy, Bugsy Siegel, and Clyde Barrow on film? The answer is B. Warren Beatty. What might happen after the interviews? The answer is D. He will get hired for a job. The appearance of the seed coat bears a definite relation to that of what? The answer is B. The fruit. How many duplicated external views of data are there? The answer is D. Any number. What operation in the Rasht Valley was concluded in November 1910? The answer is B. Military. What is the origin of Osman's name? The answer is A. Arabic. Walls Have Eyes was produced by a member of what band? The answer is D. The Bee Gees. Because of the change to the Endangered Species Act in 1982, what is the only consideration for being listed as endangered? The answer is B. The biological status of the species. What date marked the start of Schwarzenegger's second gubernatorial term? The answer is D. January 5, 2007. Which of the following frozen desserts does not contain dairy ingredients? The answer is B. Sorbet. In which year did Barbados join the Commonwealth? The answer is A. 1966. Where is Saraiki usually spoken? The answer is C. South Punjab. What happened after Indonesia cut its pesticide use in half? The answer is B. Hardly any reduction in crops. Aqua Teen Hunger Force is a 15-minute show that airs on Cartoon Network's Adult Swim lineup. It is actually a spin-off from another Adult Swim show. What show did the Aqua Teens first appear on? The answer is D. Space Ghost Coast 2 Coasts. What was the advance of scientific knowledge in Einstein's view? The answer is A. Evolutionary process. What did Liberia score on the 2011 Corruption Perceptions Index? The answer is B. 3.3. Where did the Armenian genocide death marches push the deportees to? The answer is B. Syrian desert. What book became unpopular with monks in France and had an effect on how light was used in cathedrals? The answer is B, the celestial hierarchy. If you order fromage at a French restaurant, what will you get? The answer is B, cheese. When in the 19th century was the U.S. Navy modernized? The answer is B, the 1880s. About how many people live in a square kilometer in Gongabu VDC? The answer is B, 20,000. All-American Prophet, Baptize Me and Ellen Africa are songs from which musical, currently playing at the Prince of Wales Theatre? The answer is B, the Book of Mormon. What years was the Treaty of Wuchale formally binding? The answer is C, 1889–1913. When did the Washington Post say Kerry was important envoy? The answer is D, May 2011. What is one of the flavorings commonly used in Greek Mediterranean food? The answer is A, oregano. What did Montgelas study? The answer is B, law. Where did Eisenhower serve under Connor? The answer is C, Panama Canal Zone. What part of the United Kingdom is Belfast located in? The answer is D, Northern Ireland. How many people attend the Bath Literature Festival each year?